Okay, I went to replace the battery on my watch, and here's the back of it. I used this little knife right here. Okay, there's a lip. You'll see it when you look. It's just a tiny little lip, like right there. And I took my knife and I popped the back off, and then I replaced the battery with the little Energizer battery. Okay, which is the 2016 CR2016. Okay, I made sure I put the back on the same way, because there's a little hole kind of for the battery, so you put it on the right way. And then I folded up this little case right here, and I put the watch on the thing here, okay, just to protect the glass and everything. And I put the whole bit inside this clamp, and then I just kept squeezing around the whole circle, the whole back on the edges, and whoops, was able to get the watch, the back, was able to get it back on a good seal all the way around. Hope you could see this good, as it gets into focus. But this is a waterproof watch, so I want to make sure that the seal is perfect. There's a little seal in there. So now it's working again, and press the button and get the little light. So I just wanted to share with you how I got the back. Use this little hand clamp, and squish it in there. But I use this is a case, a little velvet case to this little toolkit I got. So I just folded it over, but like you could put like a wash rag or something, fold it over several times, because you're gonna have to put some pressure on this thing. You're gonna have to squeeze a bit and go around and squeeze a little bit, kind of move it and squeeze to get it all on there good and tight. Alright, thanks for watching. Trucker Sue. Now I have to get another one of these little things here, because I broke it just getting it off. But that's not a big deal. Those are easy to get.